Kameran Onley, and I'm by training the only social scientist in the group. I'm an economist. I have a master's in economics, and I always like to tell people that that's the study of human behavior and how humans respond to incentives. It's not about the stock market always, but it's about how people respond. I work for a company called PBS&J. It's a large environmental consulting, water resources consulting firm based in Tampa, but it's a national and international firm. Part of the company that I work with, we're heavily engaged in a lot of large-scale ecosystem restoration projects within the U.S. Everglades being one, coastal Louisiana, Missouri, Bay Delta, and then the Puget Sound project. Smaller, hugely engaged in Everglades, and starting to be engaged out in the West. I think what I found really interesting here, there's a lot of things. It's kind of overwhelming to absorb the last 5 days. We've all talked periodically about the can-do attitude in this country, that they are very mission-focused, and it is 100% to protect people from hazards, and that's totally understandable and a very important goal, and we take that into consideration, obviously, in the U.S. Most of the work that I get involved with now, though, is more on restoring areas, more of the work that you discussed of how we try to use the natural system to help us in these engineering, help inform the engineering processes. So that's really been kind of enlightening to see that this group is moving in that direction in this country and all over. So I'd say that was probably most exciting for me.